To make this bike rideable, I'm going to have to sort the front brake out. So I definitely expect there should be something connected to that. So we'll have to sort that out. I think that the master cylinder is free, but it probably needs new seals. And definitely, that's the strangest bleed nipple I've ever seen. But hey, it'll stop any fluid coming out. So I'm going to crack on and just fix them up. I'm not going to fully, restore them and everything, for the simple fact we have this mad idea we might put a different front end on this, and if I did, this be a complete waste of time. But first of all, I want it to be a going bike, and there's some things you just got to have. Brakes is one of them. I'm not even going to worry about the fact that it's a semi-drilled disc. How unusual. That's where it landed, just by the chair. I'd make that a good 10 foot. Well, that was a little bit more of a challenge than I expected. Usually you can get them out with air. Probably this piston hasn't ever moved in 30 plus years. It'll probably clean up okay, although looking at that it looks like it's going to need replacing. If they've got pitting, usually they can't be used again. That was so seized in, it was unbelievable. Luckily I've got new ones. I think a bit of a clean up, new piston, new seal, and should be good to go. Using the grease is always a last resort. Doesn't have to take a lot of cleaning up afterwards. But hey, that's now going to be a caliper that I can use. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of thing, do subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you want to. But thanks very much for watching.